I did a few things in there that I probably shouldn't have. I was experimenting with just some of the turnarounds, and some of them work, some of them don't. But Santa Claus is coming to town, so I sat down last night, and I had 3 songs I was going to do. I'm like, what about Silver Bells? That'll probably work. So I'm gonna sit down and figuring it out. Silver Bells, and I was like, wait a minute. Isn't that a different song? So I started one song and I completely came up with a different song. And then of course the way I was doing it was completely wrong, and I had to bring it down a little bit lower to where I got it, all the notes, with no fake fret. Doing it up higher, there was it was funny, it was the wrong notes, so we're doing sharps instead of normals, or we're doing flats when there shouldn't have been, and it still kind of worked. But like, it's just not right. So then I changed key, and then I got it down pretty good. Okay. So this one, straight picking, no strumming. There's no strumming in the song. It's just, like I said last video, there's just too many chords in the song. I'm not even gonna bother figuring where they go. It works, you know, it's a faster song. It works without the picking, or without the strumming, so. That's your first. I'm using all the strings on this one. Let's get my picking hand in there. That's your first line. Second line. So, second line again. All together. Last line. This line I had the most trouble with, and it's just a little bit strange to picking, you know, the way your fingers go. Now, you do that twice. You do that whole thing twice. In between them, I was just kind of doing just an open A in there as a turnaround. So that's the first part, the second part, and the fourth part. Makes sense, right? It just repeats over and over again. Now the sees you when you're sleeping part. So slow it down. That's the first line. Second line's exactly the same, except that instead of doing at the end, you just do 1, 2, 1. It's the only difference. Second part, or third part. And then the fourth part is the same as the first and second part. Now, the ending I tend to repeat that last line. And then I end it 2-3 on the A string. Actually, that works too. Instead of going, just go, and then an open strum. That works even better. The Claus is coming. That's it. That's all I got. 4 Christmas songs. I think that's pretty much my quota for the year. I'm good. Don't need no more. Next year, I just 7 now, I think. That's enough. I don't have to do anymore next year. Yeah, as I said, looking through them, there is just so much to some of these songs. So much picking. It's like, it's pretty interesting when you start going into it. It's like, there's a lot of stuff in there to learn. That's it. I don't know if I'll be back before Christmas with anything new. I might, because I got time off, so I might. And actually, I took my mahogany Merlin into work. Slow time of year, so I haven't been playing some at work, so I might actually be back. If I'm not, Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year. Santa Claus is coming to town. We'll see you guys next time. Practice patience, have fun.